Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. Today I will explain one exercise about stem back-to-back stem and leaf diagrams. So this is related to statistics, descriptive statistics actually. Anyway, I will explain this. First I will read the instruction, then I will give you the explanation, okay? It says, the back-to-back stem and leaf diagram shows some of the marks scored by the children. The highest marks for class B is not included. So as you see, this is class B and this is class A. In the center or in the half, in all the back-to-back stem and leaf diagrams, well, actually in some of them we have some numbers in the centers. So we need to understand what's happening in this diagram. The class B, this is the set, all the numbers in class B, and the left side contains all the numbers for class A. And then we have to read and understand the key. It says key is 4/1/0. This key represents a mark of 14. So 1 and 4 makes the number 14 in class A. So for example, 2 and 9 makes the number 29 in the class A. 4 and 7 makes the number 47 in class A. But at the same time saying that 10 in class B. So 1 and 0 is the number 10 in class B. So it says the range of marks for class A is the same as the range of marks for class B. So I will understand what is the question, because what we have to do is to complete the marks or the number that is missing here in class B. That is instruction, I think. Let me go to the original question. It says, yes, I didn't put it. I'm gonna put it here because it says complete the diagram for class B to the highest. Let me fix this. I will fix this. I have technical problems, and I will add that question here. So the question that says complete the diagram for class B by writing in the highest mark. So welcome, I will start the explanation. Cinco, cuatro, tres, dos, uno. So I'm going to explain this task we have to develop, or we have to solve. Complete the diagram for class B, yes, by writing the highest mark. How do we know which is the highest mark? Yes, we need to read the information provided. The information says, so we need to consider the key, and we need to consider that the word range. What is the range? Remember that the range is a number minus the smallest. So what is the set that is complete? The set of the class A, because it says the class B is not the class B is not include the highest mark. So this is not complete. Yes, the class B is not complete. So we need to start by using the information of the set that is complete, or the information that is complete, all right? So we will get the range for class A. And the range is the biggest number minus the smallest, which is the biggest number of the class A, 56. 56 is the biggest, and the smallest number in the same class is 14. So 56 minus 14, that's the way we are gonna get like the range. So 56 minus 14 is equal to 42. So the range in the class A, the range of class A is 42. This is for class A, okay? Now, the other information we have is like this. This is the information that we are going to use, which says The range of marks for class A is the same as the range of marks for class B. So, but what is the problem in class B? The problem is in class B is like we don't have the biggest number here, but we know the range and we know the smallest number. Which is the smallest number in class B? Let's say this is the class B, okay? So this is the class B. Sorry, let me organize the information here in a better way. I'm gonna type it normal. What happened in class B? In the class B, we're going to get the range by using the biggest number minus the smallest. But we don't know the biggest number. We don't know. So I'm going to call it X. Yes, the biggest number minus the smallest, but I know which is the smallest, which is, sorry, the smallest number is 0 and 9, which makes 9. So the biggest minus the smallest is equal to 42. Why 42? Because it's the same range of class B. So what is the number that when we subtract by 9, the answer is 42? So 42, to get 42 or to get that number is 51. So 51 minus 9 is equal to 42. So that means the biggest number is 51, which is the number that when I subtract with 9, the answer is 42. So 51 is the biggest number. So I'm going to write here a number 1, okay? So I have already solved the first question. I have already completed the diagram, the information for class B. So let's go to the second question. Remember, here goes the number 1. So the second question is tick to show if each concludes. It says a total of 5 students, I'm going to solve this one. A total of 5 students in the 2 classes scored less than 15 marks. So less than 15 marks. Let's see what happened in class A. In class A, less than 15 is 1 and 4. 1 and 4 makes the number 14. Yes, makes the number 14. And that's it. What happened in class B? Let's see what happened in class B. I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to change the color. Let's use green. So what happened in class B? It says a total of 5 students in the 2 classes scored less than 15 marks. Let's see what happened. So in class B, we have the number 10. Yes, the number 10. We have the number 13. Yes, we have the number 1 and 3 makes the number 13. 1 and 6 makes the number 16, so it doesn't work because less than 15. Okay, so that happens in class B. So if you see in the class A, there is only 1 student that scored less than 15 points. And in class B, but look, I'm forgetting something. So in class B, also we have the numbers 0 and 8 makes, this is class A, so I'm going to change the color. In class B, sorry, in the class B, yes, it's green. It's green, George. In class B, we also have 0 and 8 makes the number 8, which is less than 15. And 0 and 9 makes the number 9, which is less than 15. So how many numbers? It says a total of 5 students in the 2 classes scored less than 15 marks. So in total, we have 1 student in class A and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 students in class B. So the total is 5 students, which is good. So the information is true. We have 5 students that has less than 15 points in total in both classes. I mean, in the total of the diagram. So then I'm going to solve the next question that says, the modal mark for class A is greater than the modal mark for class B. So modal mark means the mode, which is the mode in class A. mode, remember, is the most repeated number. So let's analyze the chart. So the number 23, for example, is repeated twice in the class A. 23 is twice. The number 30 is repeated 3 times. So 30 in 30 is 3 times. The number 47, yes, is 2 times. 47 is 2 times. Yes. So in this case, the mode for class A is the number 30. So the mode, let's write it. Mode for class A is the number 30. 3 times. 3 times. And then let's see what happened with the mode in the class B. So in the class B, we have the number 24 2 times. The number 24 is just 2 times. So the mode in A, let's see what happened. No, I think that is the mode. I don't see another number that is repeated. Well, 22 is 1. No, it's just 24. So the mode in the class B is the number 24. And the number 24 is 2 times. So I don't see another number here. So let's read the instruction here again. It says that the modal mark for class A, yes, the modal mark is greater than the modal mark for B. The modal mark in A is greater than the modal mark in B. So this is also true. And this is the way we solve stem and leaf diagrams in statistics. All right, guys? I appreciate you stay here the whole video. Thanks for watching Simple Math and see you next time. Bye-bye.